What's up, everybody? Chef Roundeye here. Today we're going to be doing smash burgers on my 36-inch Blackstone griddle. Smash! Okay, so I've got ground chuck. Going to go ahead, break this up a little bit. And we don't, when we make these, we don't want to overpack them. We want them to be loose. Now, some people, what they like to do is they do their seasoning on the griddle. I'm going to do it ahead of time. So first I'm going to do a little salt. Black pepper. Weber's Gourmet Burger Seasoning. And garlic, because we love garlic. Of course, you can do these with whatever type of seasoning you prefer. So I'm going to pack this up. Again, there's nothing special about this. Ground chuck. Just going to make sure all the seasoning is in there. So now, bowl right here. And it's almost like you're making a meatball, but you're not going to pack it too tight. Okay. So, 1, 2, 'Now we're not going to double decker them. Some people like to take these and double decker them. We're going to make individual smash burgers. 3. You can already smell the seasoning in the meat. It smells delicious. Okay, again, it's not packed too tight. It's loose. There we go. So there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these, get them going on the griddle, and then boom, smash away. This is a quick, great meal for you have friends over. You want to do burgers for everyone. Smash burgers are a great way, inexpensive, fun, and they taste delicious. You can't go wrong with smash burgers. Here we go. Let's get these burgers on. You gotta love that sound. Okay, so we got these on here. We're just going to let them cook. And now we're going to go ahead and smash. Get a nice center on it. Hold down for about 10 seconds. Using the Blackstone Press. Oh, they smell awesome. Okay. While we're doing that, go ahead and get our buns toasted. We've already got them buttered up. Again, these cook fast. Cheese them up. One with no cheese. We're going to cover these. These nice and toasty. Boom. And there we go. So what I'm doing is I've got my burgers. I just move them up onto a rack just to let that grease drip right off of them. Let that that way I don't make the buns too soggy. Let them drip right off. Then I'm going to go ahead, throw them on the buns. I've already got my lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. Get the buns all ready and we'll check it out. Our burgers here. Let's do our lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles. Nice toasted bun. Smash burgers. Quick, easy. Let's try one of these bad boys out. I'm gonna get the one with cheese. Let's take a bite. Mmm. Excellent. Came out great. You can taste all the flavors from the seasoning that you put into the meat when you smash it, cook it up on the griddle. The bun's nice, toasted. It's got that nice buttery toast. It is absolutely delicious. It's quick, it's easy, it's smash burgers. Hope you like everything you saw. Subscribe, follow me. We're gonna be doing this every week. Hey, griddle up.